Alright, so we've done cross, corners, sides, flip. We've got the cross. We've got the corners in the right corners, even though they're not facing up. And we're at the starting point of cross plus one of those, the top facing colors facing up. This is the starting point for the sequence that we're looking for this phase. Now what we're looking for is the center color piece that is opposite the corner that's facing up. So we've got the cross plus one, and we're looking for, in this case white, we're looking for white that is opposite this corner. So it's either going to be here or it's going to be here. So here we have, it's opposite this corner, and it's not over here. So this is one of the sequences that we're looking for. In this case, we put the corner piece, when we have it opposite here, facing there, we put it in the upper left-hand corner, and we run the sequence. So this sequence is right towards, top counterclockwise, right away, top counterclockwise, right towards, top two, right away, top two. So with that sequence, starting with the cross plus one, where we have the color opposite the corner piece that's facing up, either in this case it's over here, ran the sequence, and now we have all of the pieces facing up, they're in the right corners, and now we're left with the sides. We've done cross, corner, side, flip, cross, corner, corner, and now we've got the final phase, rotating the side pieces that are left. So this is the other scenario where you have the cross plus one. Put the cross plus one, and we're looking for the yellow piece that is opposite the corner that's up, the plus one. So it's either going to be here or it's going to be here. It's not here, so it must be over here. It is. So we orient the cube this way, and the sequence for this is right away, top clockwise, right towards, top clockwise, right away, top two, right towards, top two. And there we have it. All the pieces are facing up. In this case, we've got one of the sides solved. This is one of the scenarios. Now we're looking at one of the scenarios that's possible with the second corners. Ultimately we're looking for is the cross plus one. In this case, we've got the cross plus two because we've got one of the corners faces up. So you just pick a move, pick one of the sequences, and run it. So I'm going to run the sequence for one of them. Do right towards, top counter, right away, top counter, right towards, top two, right away, top two. And so that does change the configuration. I still don't have the cross plus one, so I run the sequence again. And this is one of the scenarios that we're looking at where we were looking for the cross plus one in one of the corners. We don't have that, so we just pick a sequence and run it. In this case, we've got to run one of the sequences. I'm going to do right towards, top counter, right away, top counter, right towards, top two, right away, top two. And so by doing that, by picking because I don't have the cross plus one, I pick one of the scenarios and run it, and in fact I do end up with the cross plus one, which is the starting point for that phase that I'm looking for.